up, everybody? Welcome to LiveCaseBreak.com. We got mixed baseball 6-box break. This is number 45. 6 boxes. We got NT from 2012. We got 2012 Threads, 2011 Threads, SP Legendary, and 2 Tier 1s. If you guys are still working on a trade, just let me know before I start. No worries. Alright, we got Barry with the Cubs, Kevin D-backs, Jose A's, Mike E has the Red Sox and Rangers, Nick K with the Tigers, Joe with the M's, Griffin, Dodgers, Padres, Brewers, and Reds, Pete G has the Nats and Pirates, Steven has the Indians, Historical, and Yankees, Jason has the Mets, Jeremy, Orioles, Sung, Giants, Halos, Phillies, and Royals, Jason B, Marlins, Astros, Steve has the Jays, Jeremy, Braves, Brian, Twins, Joe, Cardinals, Sung, I already said, Benjamin, White Sox, and Joey has the Rays. Okay. What I'll do with tribute number 10 is I will field offers on whatever's left. We're gonna do that one via offers. So whatever's left as soon as this break is over, we'll sell out with offers. I'll take the best offer I get for each team. Basically, we'll auction them off, and we'll have some fun that way. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. You know, I've been thinking about that, Nate. I'm going to do a break like that. But keep it on the download, Nate. I don't want anybody to copy it. You and I talked about it one night. $35. I think that would be a lot of fun, though. Okay, guys, I don't know how this box of Legendary will even come close to the last break with the DiMaggio Cup, but we'll see what happens. '07 Legendary Cups. Here we go. A Babe Ruth Cup. Dear Lord. That would be unreal. Jackie Cup, and this would be nice. Hell yeah. Back in the day when Upper Deck still had their license. Wow, they loaded this one up with fillers, I'll tell you guys that much. There's only one filler in the last box. Alright, last pack. This one, Joe, on the box. That would be pretty sick. Dale, did you and Sung make a trade or a deal? Alright, here we go. 07 Legendary Cuts. There is the filler. Alright. Jackson, Reggie Jackson, parallel out of 500 there. Kirby Puckett, A Stitch in Time for the Twins. Kirby Puckett. Nice card right there for the Twinkies. The Twinkies were in the random that went to Brian C. So Brian C, Kirby Puckett, Stitch of Time. Love it. Yes, we do, Card King. Unless it's notated in the break description, all the base cards are always shipped. Alright, another Upper Deck filler from 07. Log on to their site, save 20%. There's a historical card right there for Steve C. Steve C had the Indians in the historical. We have James A. Garfield out of 550. Legendary Americana. U.S. President out of 550. Kind of a cool card. Oh, what is this? We have a legendary signature. Oh boy, wow. It's a card you don't see every day. Another nice one from Legendary Cuts. Bob Feller for the Cleveland Indians. Legendary signatures out of 199. And that goes to Steve. Indians historical spot again. Bob Feller, legendary signatures. Very cool. So there's one of the hits here. We may have one more hit left. There's basically 1 to 3 hits in each pack, for each box. Could be it though. Let's see. Yep, that's it. Alright. Okay guys, one break after this. Again, last break of the night is right here. Tribute number 10, 4-box case. Alright, there's the first one. Done. So the auto out of that was Bob Feller. The relic was Kirby Puckett. Here we go, Tier 1 time. Garfield the Cat would be awesome. Okay, got a nice, clean, very nice and clean black parallel Johnny Bench. Very nice card right there. Get that to focus. Camera doesn't want to work right now. There we go. Very nice, clean black parallel Bench for the Reds. The Reds were bought outright by Griffin. Nice card for Griffin. 5 out of 50. Jersey number parallel. That's right. 5 out of 50. Very nice. Good stuff. Dale, you always catch those jersey numbers so quick. Alright, A-Rod, David Wright, and Robbie Cano. And the first auto is Adam Lind for the Jays. Woohoo! Jays for Steve C. Adam Lind out of 549. Josh Tolley, who is also a current Jay, but that goes to the New York Mets for Jason B. out of 999. And bottom card is Cole Hamels out of 399. Single jersey relic. Pinstripe. 124 out of 399 for the Phils. Next box to Tier 1. I agree. I am a Jays fan, but I can't stand Adam Lind. I really wish they would just cut him and get it over with. Okay, parallel in this box. Blue, Justin Upton for the D-backs. Reggie Jackson, Duke Snider, and Kershaw. First auto, Brent Morel for the Chicago White Sox. Second auto, Anthony Rizzo, back when he was a Padre. This guy's playing okay this year. Hitting a lot of home runs, striking out a lot too though. So Rizzo back when he was with the Padres, and we have a relic on the bottom. Carlton Fisk, Chicago White Sox. That goes to Benjamin K. Carlton Fisk. Jersey relic out of 399. Alright, here we go, 2012 threads. Yeah, well, a couple weak autos there. Tier 1. Guys that have potential though. No patches. There's not actually too many patches in Tier 1. Triple threads is where you'll get the patches. Alright. Top card, we got a Gehrig parallel out of 125. Well, aside from the DiMaggio. Oh, patches tonight. I thought you meant autos, yeah. Yeah, we haven't had many patches at all tonight. We'll see. Alright, Koufax, Halliday, Utley, and Lester. We got an auto. Emerald parallel. There is one of the original live case break whammies. Devin Mesoraco, Emerald for the Reds. 13 out of 50. We haven't seen him in a while. And the relic, Madison Bumgarner out of 36 for the Giants. So Mesoraco and Bumgarner. Last pack of 2012 threads. Is Mesoraco having a good year? Good. Good. Good deal. Okay, we got Hanley, Babe Ruth, Boggs, Mantle, and Pablo. First hit. Ooh, nice. Paul Molitor, Pure Class with Ryan Sandberg and Donnie Baseball out of 27. All right, let's see who has what here. The Cubs are Barry. He has one team. The Brewers are Griffin. All right, Griffin has 4 teams. And the Yankees are Steve. Steve has 1, 2, 3. Steve has the Yankees, Jays, Indians, 3 teams. All right, that goes to Griffin with the Dodgers, Padres, Brewers, and Reds. Griffin takes it 4-3. Molitor, Sandberg, and Mattingly. Good deal. All right, Pure Class Relic at a 27, and the auto on the bottom is Billy Butler for the Royals, 2 out of 99. That goes to Sung. Billy Butler. Okay. I think I'm experiencing a letdown after pulling that Joe D cut. Hard to top that, guys. Okay, 2011 Threads. Where's Carlos Quentin on that card, Dale says. What's up, Vince? How you doing, man? Oh, you didn't see the Joe D cut earlier, Vince? I'm gonna put it up on Twitter after this break. Last break of the night, guys, is Tribute. Another 4-box case. It's the other half of the case we did earlier tonight. Other half of the Master. There's the link. If you guys want teams, grab them now. I'm not going to do a random. I'm going to do offers on teams and sell it out that way. Okay, I got a card stuck to the back here. Hold on. There we go. Okay, Ricky Henderson out of 99. Musial out of 625. Yeah, we hit a Musial, or not a Musial. Joe D cut in Legendary Cuts. Cliff Lee, Joe Morgan, and Victor. First hit is straight up Scott Sizemore. There's a whammy. Out of 99. Autographed game used bat for the Tigers for Nick K. Scott Sizemore out of 99. And bottom card is sideways. Good luck. John Lester Emerald, 2010 AL All-Star for the Boston Red Sox. Red Sox went to Mike E. So John Lester, 2010 All-Star for the Red Sox. And here we go, second box. Get a redemption in here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to put the relic on top of the redemption. Okay, we got Utley out of 249, Mantle, Ryan Howard, A-Rod, Stanton, Pedro Alvarez out of 36, game used jersey, no patch still. And the redemption, here we go, good luck. Can't remember what the redemptions are in 2011 Threads, so this could be a monster, could be a whammy. Redemption card. It is for Triple Threads, autographed relic. So it's going to be out of 99, BJ Upton. And that is going to the Rays. He was on the Rays in 2011. So Rays were Joe E. So Joe E, that goes to you, BJ Upton. It is the wrong Upton, but it's not bad. Put Rays on that for Joe. There you go. Okay. BJ Upton, here we go, guys. Last box in this break, we have NT. Good luck. Empty box. Wrong brother. Let me grab a filler here. Okay. First card, everybody. Good luck. Oh, looks like we got a Legends cut there. Curtis Granderson for the Yankees. Gray jersey relic out of 99 for the Yankees. Next card. Harvey Quinn for the Tigers, or Harvey Kuhn. Nick K with the Tigers. There you go. Detroit Tigers, that's out of 99. Harvey Kuhn, Detroit Tigers, game used bat relic. Next up, Yu Darvish for the Rangers, game used jersey. That's out of 99, so Texas Rangers, Darvish. Next up, Tom Seaver, and that's a Cincinnati Reds card. Tom Seaver for the Reds, that goes to Griffin. Seaver, gray jersey out of 99. A very nice patch coming up, finally. We've been waiting on one of these all night. Here it is. Tyler Thornburg, Milwaukee Brewers. Beautiful card. Gold signature, that should be out of 25. On-card auto, 2 of 25. Thornburg for the Brewers. Very nice looking card. Milwaukee went to Griffin again. Griffin, you are killing it, man. Very nice. Thornburg, multicolored patch auto on-card, gold out of 25. Tyler Thornburg. And we have 3 cards left. First one, we got a rated rookie. Arizona D-backs, Trevor Bauer. That goes to Kevin H. 31 out of 99, Trevor Bauer. 31 out of 99, on-card rated rookie patch. 2 more cards, we got a Legends book. Oh, Legends book is to 10, so it should be a cut auto. Another cut auto. We have Nap LaHoy for the Phillies. Actually, I can't remember now, is this Phillies or A's? We looked this one up before. Can't remember if he played for the Phillies or if he played for the Philadelphia Athletics. I'll have to look that up unless anybody knows right off the top of their head. 27 out of 99 on that Nap LaHoy. Philadelphia baseball. Okay, and the book. We have a Legends book, guys. Legends book, and it is to 10, so it should be an auto. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. It is an autograph. We have a cut auto. Bob Feller. Oh my god, this is the 3rd Bob Feller I've pulled out of 10. Cleveland Indians for Steve C. Another Bob Feller. This one is inscribed Triple Crown, though. 1940 Triple Crown Bob Feller. This is literally the 3rd one that I've pulled. That is 4 out of 10 on the Feller. 4 out of 10. Unreal. So LCB has pulled, I think 4 of these now, because I'm pretty sure Larry pulled one. Okay, here's the deal, guys. This is what's left for the next tribute break. 4-box case. There you go, Jeremy. It'll be whatever one he last played for, Nate. I'll have to look it up. Yeah, we've hit 40% of those. Crazy. Alright, so last break of the night is going to be a tribute. 4-box case. You guys can PM me